I'm back and I'm better, feeling better than ever. I am really excited to be back on my YouTube channel. I kind of left for a while. I stopped making videos because just a lot of technical things started happening, and then I sort of lost my MacBook and lost my way of editing my videos, so it was really hard for me to just do it again without having that. But we're back. I do want to apologize for the lighting right now. I'm waiting for my studio lights to come in, so that's gonna be fun, and I cannot wait because I have so many ideas. I just have so many things that I want to do. And for all my supporters and friends who watch me, I want to thank you so much. And for all the people that were still watching me and commenting on my videos during the time where I wasn't uploading anything, I appreciate you guys so much. And yes, I just hope that we're able to grow more each and every day here on my channel. But anywho, let's stop rambling. Let me not. So for today's video, I am doing this halo orange, kind of like spring eye look. It's very springy, and I'm loving these colors. For all of my orange lovers, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it so much to the point you want to recreate it, please do so. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you recreate this look and you have Instagram. Post a picture on there and tag me at Diana Lara MUA so I can see what you guys did. I know every one of you will do an amazing job. So yes, with no further ado, let's get right into the video, guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. Yeah!
Starting off with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going in with the mustardy yellow and more of that bright neon yellow. Using my Scone blending brush, I'm applying it right on the crease and blending it towards my brow bone. And since I'm doing a halo eye, I am going to bring that shadow towards the inner corner of my eye and blending it to my crease. Now going in with the lighter and darker orange colors of the palette, I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics blending brush and I'm applying that right on the inner and outer corners of my eye. And with my fluffier brush, I'm going to buff that out. I'm really focusing on keeping these orange colors right on the inner and outer corners of my eyes only, so I can create depth for this halo eye. Also, I'm really just using two brushes for this look. So my precise brush for the corners of my eye and my fluffier brush for blending out my crease. Now I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this palette, and I'm going in with Hunt and Roxanne. And I'm placing those colors right on the inner and outer corners of my eyes only, once again. And then I will be taking my Scone blending brush with no product on it to blend out any harsh lines. And now I just keep adding more shadow until I get the color that I'm looking for. I'm going for a more dramatic halo eye, so this is why I'm packing on that darker orange color on the corners of my eye. And babes, don't forget to blend those harsh lines out, because blending is key. Now taking my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium and my Morphe M213, I'm gonna apply that right on the center of my lid in patting motions and bringing it up towards my brow bone. And still working with my Jaclyn Hill palette, going in with the color Beam, I'm placing that right over my lid where I just applied that concealer. Now going back to my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm taking that light orange color and I'm placing that right over where the two shadows meet so that everything looks nice and evenly blended. I'm now applying my eyeliner Fierce Flicks by Chateau London, and also taking my telescopic mascara and applying that right on my lashes. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to do wing eyeliner or how to apply falsies on, please let me know, because I would love to do that for you guys. Also, I will be leaving the name of the lashes down in the description below. And now to more fun stuff. I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium and I'm applying that right on my highlighted areas. And taking my Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend all of that out. Now taking my Airspun loose powder in translucent, I'm going to be baking my under eyes. Going in with this Ulta Contour Kit in the shade Bombshell Bronzer, I'm going to contour my nose. And if any one of you would like any contouring tips on how to contour better, like this video to let me know, and I would love to have that up for you guys. And now I'm just cutting my nose with the baking powder so my nose can look snatched. And now I'm just continuing to bronze the rest of my face. And let's not forget to always blend down to your neck because no one wants to see your foundation and your jawline. Then buffing out the loose powder off my face. Now for my highlight, I'm taking the Carly Bible Deluxe palette and taking that very white highlight at the very left corner, and I'm applying that on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. I'm applying my highlight with my Morphe R36, and for my nose I'm just using a very thin brush. I'm now grabbing my Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray and I'm going to spray that all over my face. Yes! And then going in with more highlight by Maybelline Master Holographic Highlighter. I'm applying that on top of my other highlighter because is there really such thing as too much highlight? Now for my lower lash line, I'm going back with my Jaclyn Hill palette with Hunt and Roxanne. And then applying mascara on my bottom lashes. Lining my lips with my NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. And for my lips, I'm applying the Infallible Matte Paints by L'Oreal in Peach Pit. I'm now cleaning my lips with my Tarte Shape Concealer in shade Medium. And there you have it, guys. We are slayed and snatched and finished.
So that concludes this tutorial, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you and that you liked it so much that you already liked this video. I didn't record this on the actual tutorial because I decided afterwards that I wanted a gloss. So I did go over the lipstick with the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in Unreal. This is like my ride or die when it like drugstore lip gloss. This is it. This right here for nude. It's the best thing. I love it. So, and I'm really into gloss lately. Well, it's been for like over a year now. I used to love mattes forever, but then I got into glosses and I can't get away. I just can't get away, guys, from gloss. Don't forget to leave them comments down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that like button, and just let's be friends, okay? Let's start family here, and I'm very excited for all the things that I have in mind for you guys. So yeah, join me, and I appreciate you for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye, guys.